What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and I've literally just got back from Cupertino. I was there for the Apple event, chilling with all my celebrity buddies as you do. You guys may have already seen the image, which is completely and totally legit. Of course, not Photoshopped whatsoever, but I had to tell those guys, hey look, I got work to do, I got videos to make. You guys carry on, I'm gonna come back and unbox these, the AirPods 2. They're technically not called the AirPods 2. What we've got here is AirPods wireless charging case. I mean, not the most exciting name. Like, Apple usually come up with something quite cool like AirPods wireless, or I don't know, something. Okay, clearly I'm not the one to make up the name for these, but I just think something a little bit more catchy would have been better written here instead of just AirPods wireless charging case. But anyway, so at the top of the box, we have the image of the AirPods, Apple logo on the left and right. And something that Marquez actually noticed in his video is that it says here, compatible with iOS device, Apple Watch or Mac with the latest software, works with AirPower and Qi certified chargers. So we still have a reference to AirPower here. Does that mean that we're gonna be seeing AirPower soon? I mean, if they've got it printed on every single new box of the AirPods, then I would assume so. I think I've got a feeling that we're probably going to see AirPower soon. But anyway, let's get these bad boys out of the box. The previous generation AirPods, I believe, are the world's most popular wireless earphones. And I guess it's just all around to the connectivity, because I've tried so many different wireless earphones and some of them disconnect and, you know, they just keep losing connection and things like that. These are very, very consistent. Designed by Apple in California. So we've got some paperwork here, usual stuff, no Apple stickers or anything like that. And here is the little case. Oh, there's also a cable in here. There's a lightning cable also in the box. So if you do want to charge these with a lightning cable, then you can do. You don't only have to wirelessly charge these. But anyway. And here is the wireless charging case. It looks pretty much identical to the previous generation wireless charging case. So we've got that glossy white finish. I really wish that we had like a matte black finish or something. Even a glossy black finish would have been pretty cool. And it would have also differentiated previous generation AirPods to the new generation AirPods. But I guess these are kind of like the S series of iPhones. So an incremental update, not a major redesign or anything like that, and maybe that's why they've just kept the color the same. Right here at the front, there is also the LED indicator, and we've got, I believe, a Bluetooth button here at the back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect these live to my iPhone. Let me just make sure there's no dodgy messages on here. Okay, iPhone XS Max is here with my dope new wallpaper, which I got at the Steve Jobs Theater, of course. And now let's see, it's unlocked, and I'm gonna open these up. Oh, yeah, I need to update my software first. That might be a good idea. Let me do that and try this again.
A few moments later.
Right, my iPhone is now updated. I'm sorry guys, give me a break. I've just come off like a 50-hour flight or whatever it was. But it's updated now. Took quite a bit of time on my Wi-Fi. But let's go ahead and test this out. Opened. Yes, there you go. Love that. Nice 3D animation. Connect. Connecting. Set up Hey Siri. Use Siri. Done. That was super easy, and that's what I love about this. So it shows me how much each of the AirPods have battery, and we can also see the battery indicator for the charging case. And in total, you've got up to 24 hours of battery life with the charging case and the AirPods. And if you're using the AirPods on a single charge, it should give you over 5 hours of listening time and around 3 hours of talk time if you're using it for calls. Now let's go ahead and try these on. One of the problems that I tend to have with AirPods is the fact that they don't properly sit in my ear. They do fall out a lot, and that's because my ears are maybe not the perfect shape for these. I'm probably gonna get like a silicone hook or something inside them, but let's just try them out. See, yeah, they're not gonna stay. Okay, they're in for now. And I'm just going to test out some music just to see what they sound like. So, I mean, they sound pretty good, but can already start feeling them a little bit kind of dropping off, and they do come off quite easily. Again, this is going to depend on your personal ear shape. I'm going to be getting some sort of silicone hooks or something. That way they do stay in. Now, in terms of other improvements, you do have up to 2 times faster switching between active devices and up to 1.5 times faster connection for phone calls. You've also got 30% lower latency when gaming. Now, one of the key things about these AirPods is the fact that you've got this wireless charging case. Now, you are going to have to pay extra for this wireless charging case. It's at around £200 or $200 if you want this full package. But if you have the previous generation AirPods and you do want that wireless charging experience, you can pick up just the wireless charging case for around £80 or $80. Now I want to test out the wireless charging, but I don't have a wireless charger to hand because I'm sat here and plugged in. But I do have another device that can wirelessly charge, and that is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Dare I try to charge my AirPods with the S10 Plus? Let's do it. Right, you ready for this, guys? What is gonna happen? Is the universe gonna implode? I don't know, we'll find out. Here goes nothing. Whoa! Okay, that was the special effects. That didn't really happen. I know I'm getting good with Photoshop and VFX, but hey, I know you believe that. It's charging. You can see that the LED is now orange to indicate that it is charging. So you can use the S10 Plus to charge the AirPods too. That's quite cool. Now, does this mean that the new iPhone is also going to have reverse wireless charging? Possibly. I think it would make sense for the new iPhone to have reverse wireless charging, but we'll see. Now, in terms of how long it actually takes to charge the AirPods, if you pop them back into the case for 15 minutes, that should give you up to 3 hours of listening time and up to 2 hours of call time, which is pretty good. And what else is new? Well, we've got the H1 chip in here. We do have support for Siri, so we've got always listening, and you can just ask what you would ask Siri normally, and you can do that with your AirPods, which if you do use Siri quite a bit is going to be quite useful for you. And if you want to find out how much battery you've got left on your AirPods, you can just bring them close to your iPhone, and either a graphic's going to pop up or you can just ask Siri, "Hey Siri, what's the battery like on my AirPods?"
Your AirPod case is at 68, and SuperSaf one's AirPods at 84%.
There you go, as easy as that. So those are the new AirPods, the AirPods 2019, the AirPods 2, whatever you want to call them. In terms of my impressions, I think if you like the previous generation AirPods, you're really going to like these as well. I do think, however, that the wireless charging case should have been included in the regular price of £160 or $160. So you're going to have to pay around £40 or dollars more if you want the full wireless charging package with these new AirPods. But I'm sure they're going to sell really, really well anyway. What do you guys think of the new AirPods? Definitely let me know in the comments below. And also let me know if you want me to do a comparison with these bad boys, the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I'd say that these are probably my favorite wireless earbuds on the Android side. So definitely let me know if you want me to put these head to head. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to see other content like this, then make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. This is SuperSaf, and I'll see you next time. I changed the exit there a little bit because I'm just tired. It's usually Saf on SuperSaf TV. But you can go now. I'm just chatting, Bob.